Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure System Restore is enabled and you know which restore point to use. This prevents surprises. Once done, back up any unsaved personal files to an external drive or cloud so nothing is lost. Now close all active applications to avoid conflicts, then open Control Panel, choose Recovery and click Open System Restore. You'll see a list of restore points. Make sure to pick the most relevant one based on date and description before proceeding. You select the restore point that matches the time before the issue appeared. Look at descriptions for installed drivers or updates. Once selected, click Scan for affected programs so you know which apps or drivers will be removed or restored. This helps you plan reinstalls afterward. When you understand the impact, confirm the restore point and accept the prompt. Your PC will schedule a restart and begin the restoration process, which can take several minutes to complete, so be patient. After the restart, Windows completes the restore and log success or failure. You should test the issue you were fixing and check Device Manager for driver problems. If something is missing, reinstall the specific driver or app you scanned earlier. Make sure Windows Update runs to apply post-restore patches. If the restore fails or you get errors, boot into safe mode and attempt System Restore there. Or run SFC and DISM to repair system files before trying again. This often resolves underlying corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.